In this video, I will show you a cable setup and custom cables. Actually, latest one I made for the headphone output on my ultra portable recording studio. So I have the Rode AI Micro here set up with a USB-C hub, and I had the microphone input, both input 1 and 2, merged into one 3.5 TRS jack connection. This is a plug connection actually, but the headphone connector on the audio interface, I left it still open, and I had to plug in the headphones like this, and it's not really so convenient. It's a bit difficult to reach it, so I thought I will make another extra custom cable to extend the input from the Rode AI Micro to the edge of this pack, basically audio interface and USB pack, recording studio for a Android device or a tablet or an iPhone. And okay, there are some issues with these USB connectors. I might have to find a right angle connector at some point, but for now it's okay like this. I can plug this in together with a power bank in a small bag. One more cable. This is just a stereo input, and it's an extension basically. The cables, the TRS goes to TRS mapped the same way. The cable is SOD14 from Summer Cable, Cicada. I will put links in the description for these components. The connectors are Nutric Rian, or should I say Rian by Nutric, and this is the female connector. The idea of this cable, you can see pretty easy why I made this cable, and you have the input 1, 2 already extended to the edge of this pack, and the headphone now also goes like that. I wanted to say I will put a link in the description of the video that inspired me to do this. It's someone who works with professional sound basically, but Jim Keeney, I think it's his name, Hub Location Sound. His channel is really amazing about this kind of things. Most of those things I would never really use, but he had the video I link in the description. It has the way he sets up with this basically hook and loop. Everything is hook and loop in that video, and I remembered watching it, and then I thought I could do the similar thing with my setup here. It's nothing near like that, but still, if you want to watch it, I will link it in the description. And it's about how you can put together things with the hook and loop. I have these cable ties. You can find them in any computer shop. On one side they have the hooks, and on the other side they have the loops, and you can organize your cables pretty neatly like this. I don't use them in my computer at all. All the cables inside the computer case are just sitting there, but here it matters because I would use this thing all over the place. And another reason to have the hook and loop like this is because I put on the tripod also a lot of hooks, and I can just throw this thing on the tripod and it will sit there. It's like instant glue. And this way, maybe I should have glued some of these parts, but I didn't want to make anything permanent. I wanted to be able to change it if I needed to. Now I have an output extension. Basically the audio interface, all the connections are routed to the edge of this pack. I can connect a USB power bank like my Xiaomi Mi Bank 3 Pro in the same a really small bag, and I could even, if I wanted to, I could get those two together, but I don't need to really go so far. For maybe later I always change this setup, just trying to make it more and more convenient. And maybe this USB hub is not really the greatest for this thing. All I needed here was a way to connect to the phone on the audio interface, and also a way to charge the phone and the interface have it powered on at the same time. Ideally, if anyone who's able to make design changes on this interface, the next one, please put a charging port on it so we can charge the device, Android phone, while using the thing, and I wouldn't need to put a whole USB hub on it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.